I can't believe this happened. What's up everyone, David here with Free2Be, and thank you for joining me for another video. Now this video is really special to me because this is my 100th upload to YouTube. That's right, this is my 100th video that I produced for my channel, and man, I really did not think that I was ever gonna get here. And so this video is going to be slightly different in that I'm going to really be talking about my journey on YouTube so far, everything that I've done outside of YouTube to help get to my goal of financial independence and where I stand right now. Now, if you would have asked me a couple years ago, I was so hesitant about starting a YouTube channel. I didn't think I had the time, I didn't think I'd have the energy, and I really didn't think I'd have the know-how to get it up and running. But it really only took that first video. My first upload is all I needed to get going. Once I had that thing in motion, before I knew it, I was coming up with different ideas, researching topics, and producing videos every single week. Now, if you've been following my YouTube journey, you know that right now I'm almost at the 1.5 year mark, and my first year I was basically uploading once a week. Now, year 2, I decided that I was going to up the ante and try to upload at least twice a week, with as much as 3 times a week, but really I've been sticking to this 2 times a week schedule. And I gotta say, it is a lot of work, but man, is it rewarding. Because even when I don't have any views or very few views on my videos, it still means a lot that a couple people check out those videos that I upload every single week. And it also means a lot that I have people that have subscribed to this channel. Because again, before doing this, before starting this journey, I didn't think it was possible. I thought I was gonna maybe have 10 views on a video and maybe 50 subscribers after a year, but I am really shocked with the results I've gotten so far. Having a few videos with a couple thousand views each is amazing, and several hundred subscribers. It really means a lot, and I really do appreciate it. And if you're new and watching this video and haven't done so, please take a moment and click the subscribe button down below. So what have I learned? How has YouTube really changed me? Well, one thing it's done is definitely scheduled my free time a lot better than it was before. Because before I would come into the weekend with really no plan and I would just kind of go with things as they happen. But now that I have to film videos every single weekend, research new videos, and edit videos, I really put a little bit more structure around my free time, which, believe it or not, has actually allowed me to do a lot more with that time because there's a lot less lingering and just procrastination that occurs. So would I recommend you starting a YouTube channel? Absolutely, because again, I've enjoyed it so much that it's really just fun for me to do. So I consider it another hobby. Now, when I started my journey, the only goal I had was to put good content that's valuable to others out on YouTube, hopefully in a way where I can track my progress to financial independence every few videos with some new information, things that I'm trying. And if it ended up getting me some views and some subscribers, then great. But my goal was to just consistently put content up on YouTube for the first year. Now, once I got to the 1 year point, I was going to ramp it up. I knew that I wanted to increase my production value. I wanted to increase the amount of content that I put out there and really focus on building my YouTube community. So what I've done is I've really taken interest in other channels. I've taken interest in other YouTubers. I'm trying to figure out new ways to optimize the search function for videos because I really want to reach a broader audience this year. And I think I'm really starting to get some results, specifically over the last couple months, because I've noticed that my videos pop up in the suggested videos and in the search tools a lot more often. And I know this because YouTube provides you with great analytics tools to figure out exactly what's working for you. So what about my financial journey? Well, since starting this channel, I've really tried to broaden my horizons in terms of ways I earn income. One of the things I've discovered is there's tons of different ways to earn money online. And the platform that I've had the most success with, I've created a couple videos here on YouTube, and I want to show you guys my results in 2020 so far. Now, user testing is a platform that allows you to test websites and apps, and basically what happens is you talk and narrate your thoughts as they happen, and while you're narrating and talking out loud, your screen is also being recorded. That video is then uploaded and you get paid for your time. Now, last year when I discovered user testing, I was taking about a few tests a month, and I think all of 2019, I started user testing basically in March of 2019, and all of 2019 I came somewhere around $1,000. And I'm not showing to like rub it in people's faces, but I just want to let you know that there are real ways to earn income online. And my plan is to try to get to $2,000 on user testing this year. And what I've done with those funds is invest them in the stock market. And basically, by the end of this year, I plan to have $3,000 that I've made on user testing invested in various stocks. And that's $3,000 that I didn't have a couple years ago. So remember, it's really about building and accumulating slowly. There's no such thing as getting rich quick. There's no such thing as the overnight millionaire. And if you look at it, a lot of millionaires and billionaires achieve those goals, achieve that wealth later in life. It's only anecdotally that you see the young 21-year-old billionaire, the young 25-year-old millionaire. More often than not, that is something that is achieved over a long period of time. And so that's my approach. I don't plan on being rich 2 years from now. I know when I initially launched this channel, I wanted to be financially independent in 5 years, and I still do want that. But financial independence to me just means I have enough passive income set up so that I don't have to go and grind on a 9-to-5 job full time. It doesn't necessarily mean that I have to have $10 million in the bank that I plan on living off for the rest of my life. I just want to be in a financially secure place, and I think I am on track to do that. So to every single person who's joined this journey with me so far, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for sticking with me for 100 videos, and I hope to bring you another 100, 200, 300 videos, maybe even 1,000 videos. I hope that this community I'm building continues to grow. I would love to have 1,000 subscribers with tons of watch time and tons of content for you guys to enjoy and get valuable information from. I definitely want to engage with you guys a lot more, so if you really want to see some content that I'm not covering on this channel, you can let me know in the comments. My email is posted in the About Me section of my page. Feel free to shoot me an email. I definitely encourage feedback, so please feel free to shoot me a message or leave me a comment. And again, if you haven't done so already, please take a moment and just click the subscribe button down below. It really means a lot to have your support. It really helps this channel grow. And again, it really just motivates me to continue putting out content each and every week. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, it is a lot of work, but it is enjoyable for me. And if people are watching it and enjoying it as well, it just gives me that extra bit of motivation. So again, thank you for joining me for 100 videos. And that's it, guys. I've really enjoyed my time on YouTube so far. I hope I can continue doing it for years to come. It really has been a great platform. It's gotten me to get over a lot of different things in my life, a lot of hurdles that before I thought were in place, but they ended up just being imaginary hurdles that I put in place for myself. None of it exists. I can do whatever I want to do. I can get back to creating content while holding down a full-time job. None of that is going to block me from getting to where I want to be. And I hope that you guys can see that and follow your dreams as well, because again, it's in your control, your hands. You can do what you want to do. Just get out and do it. We'll see you next time.